Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I'm going to try repeat one experiment to assemble small inverter. Very simple, by using only one relay. Of course we need battery 12 volt, and for load I will use LED light. This idea I found in internet, and today I'm going to check if it's true, if it will work or it's just a fake. Let's start and to see how it will be. Let's talk a little bit regarding the relay. Coil of relay supposed to be DC 12 volt, and relay should have only at least one normal closed contact. Okay, now I will connect to the transformer to 220 side, high voltage side, bulb holder. It will be our load for testing. And of course you can see bulb 220. I will connect this side. Then from another side of transformer, 12 volt side, I will connect two wires. Then these two wires I need connect parallel with coil of the relay. Now very important to connect this coil cross one of the normal closed contact of the relay. We have common and normal closed. One of these contact we need to use to give power supply to relay cross normal closed contact. Let's make connection. Okay guys, now it's time to test it. Telling the truth, one time I already test and relay is gone. Now I install another relay. We'll try to test again and explain you why it cannot work really properly and for long time. Okay, let's connect our battery. One contact and another one here. Okay, and that's it. Because current of this transformer which passing across normal closed contact is really high, and then this contact is just breaking and cannot continue work. But idea is that this relay is always, when it's power on, it's opening normal closed contact and giving impulse to our transformer, and then transformer is making step up from 12 to 20 volt, and then our lamp is going to work, and it's like cycle continuously. But this relay maybe is too small. Press like, and in the next video I will install just bigger relay and we will try again with much stronger relay. It's supposed to work.